Good morning, my friends. You remember this Briggs & Stratton mower that came in, of which this part is not very good anymore. That little valves there and there, and also the pump that might be perished, I'm not sure, but I ordered, as you know, new parts for there. And then I've ordered this new gaskets, and it take about 2 weeks because there was a mess up with the courier, and the parts will be here tomorrow, and then we will go and put everything back together. And I don't want to remove this plunger or pump now, because I first want to check if the new one is the correct one, and then I will take this out. And there's the air cleaner and all the rest of the spares. So I hope I've got everything still. This is the mower I'm talking about. This old Briggs & Stratton for a client. Okay, but before we do this, I'm busy with the other. I've started yesterday with the other project that I will show you now, but that is a long-term project. It will take me about a week or two to finish. It's something else, not machine related. So let us continue with that. Okay, my friends, I'm here in a client's garage, and you see this gate. I take it off. It sits on the side of the home, so I'm busy building a new one. I'll show you the materials now. They want a different kind of gate. This was the old one, so yesterday I started with the side pole, and I weld 2 1-meter pieces together. So I'm going to grind it now. And then there's some material that I bought. That is aluminium strips, and this is for the frame of the gate. You can see I've already put the 45s on the sides. That one is for the width, so I still need to determine the width of it. And this is the material that will go into the gate. There's 3 panels of PVC that I'm going to install, and that's where the aluminium strips came in. But let's continue a little bit with the gate. Okay guys, let's do some grinding. Okay, this is the best side, guys, and the rest I need to weld up more. It is not good at all. So let's weld. Okay, that looks a little bit better. Okay guys, here is my plan. You see, that is the pole that comes to the wall, and this one is the first side of the gate. So I want to put my bullet what is it, scharniere, swivels or whatever here, and this one will go onto that side, but in this position so that it lock in. and the same as there. So I'm going to tack it just for a start, and then we can look. Okay, that one is done, and the other one. And now I want to weld this one, that side, and I did not put the bullet on the center and on the center, otherwise the gate will not open fully. So this gate will open to the other side if this is against the wall. So let me tack that one and we can test it quickly. Okay guys, that welding was not so easy, but let's see if my plan work out. See, it must swivel like that, so the gate will not open fully to this side, but it will open fully to that side. Okay, so this looks good. I think that look good. So from this side, the width sides will come on, and then you see this aluminium that I bought, it looked like this, and it got a groove in, and then that boards that you see there, this is PVC board, very sturdy, and the one interlock with the other one to form a nice wall, can you say? And that will slide into that slides there, and then I will put this aluminium, I will drill holes there in the middle and screw it into here, and then the boards will slide in from the top. So this is the whole idea. Okay my friends, I will continue on the next video, maybe tomorrow, and hope you like this so far, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.